बी डिस्कशन जाले वंदे मातरम खुबशे विशय कॉलिंग अटेंशन आयली सो आयची
So Vande Mataram is, is a patriotic song, and it's a national song which Government of India recognized. It has deep-rooted history, and it was written by Bankim Chandra from West Bengal, Chattopadhyay. And the first two stanzas which was written was even Rabindranath Tagore put it into music, and he actually sang it at the first Congress, I think in 1896, and therefore it has been kept there as a national song. So it's a moment of pride to know the wordings of the song. And it is the Uttara Aitla, it is something connecting with motherland. And sadly, I think that Vande Mataram is the need of the hour because Goa is crying for its motherland. And you can't make Vande Mataram just a stage show or stand up in a function and sing it if you don't know how to appreciate the meaning of those words. So I think they must not only speak it, but they must also be able to walk the talk.
थँक्यू
सर युनिटी मॉलाचे
चोय हांव गेल्लो प्रोटेस्टाक कसो आनी युनिटी मॉलाचें एक बेसीक फावंडेशनल ऑब्जेक्शन IT पार्क येवपा आशिल्लो पयलो IT पार्क कित्याक कॅन्सील केलो फकत हो रिजन तूं IT पार्क कित्याक म्हणला कॅचमेंट एरिया थोडे आहा सायडीन हेच पासून तुमी कॅन्सील केला एनवायरमेंट डॅमेज आतां वर्स चेंज फुडें गेले ते सरकार चेंज जाला मिनिस्टर चेंज जाला आनी देखून आतां युनिटी मॉल येवपाचो कितले पयशे येत पयशे येवपाचे म्हणल्यार आमचे गोंयचें डिस्ट्रक्शन करपाचें न्ही सो आय थिंक दॅट युनिटी मॉल नीड्स टू बी स्क्रॅप्ड
सर दुसरो एक हायलायट जाला
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.